Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine. You are staying at home due to coronavirus, but your studies will not be hampered. So, Power Development Board Secondary School, Shirazganj has taken a necessary steps to continue your studies. So, first of all, welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shirazganj Power Development Board Secondary School. Today I will take class on English for today, class 8. Do you know the things? First on is Nokshi and second on is Katha. So dear student, our today's lesson is Nokshi Katha, unit on lesson 2. Learning outcome. After the end of the lesson, students will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand the text, about meaning from context, know the history of Nokshi Katha. Before starting the text, first of all, we are going to know about some vocabulary. Look at the screen and you can see a katha, and that's for vocabulary quiet. The meaning of the vocabulary is blanket. Dear students, so we need to make sentence. So the making sentence is Nokshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Is it clear? Next vocabulary is, first try to gauge the thing that is for picture. Artistic. The meaning of the vocabulary is imaginative. The making sentence is Nokshi Katha is made with artistic design. Look at the picture. There are some buyers who are trying to buy some things. That's vocabulary is commercially. meaning trade. The making sentence is Nakshikatha is now made commercially. Next picture, you can see traditional, meaning of the vocabulary is legendary. The making sentence is Nakshikatha is a kind of traditional craft. Another picture is given for you. Demand. Meaning of the vocabulary is want. And the making sentence is there is a great demand of Nakshikatha. Another picture you can see, and that means the vocabulary pattern. Meaning of the vocabulary is shaped. And the sentence is, it looks very beautiful because of its artistic pattern. Another vocabulary, embroidered, meaning designed. And the sentence is, quilt is embroidered with thread and needle. Dear student, you have been given some vocabulary to understand the pages, and that will help you to understand the text pages that I am going to read now. And you will take your textbook and then try to understand, and you will read the vocabulary with me. Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word naksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. Look at the picture and try to guess who is he. Josimuddin. He was born in 1903 and died in 1976. And his contribution is Nakshikathar Mat. So, dear student, look at the pages. The name Nakshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nakshikathar Mat had been published in 1929. Some pictures. First one is old thread. Second, new thread, needle, and a katha. So, dear student, look at the pages. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old or new clothes and thread are used to make these poems. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura, and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Look at the picture. It is a business. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and design embroidered on them. So, dear student, you have read through the pages carefully, and I hope that you have understood the pages clearly. Now I will give you some question and you will try to first understand and then you will get the answer. First question, what is Nakshikatha? The answer is of this question is Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Next question, number 2, where was the name taken from? Share with me. Answer, the name was taken from the Bengali word Naksha, meaning artistic pattern. Question number 3, when does Nakshikatha become famous? Answer, Nakshikatha becomes famous after the poem Nakshikathar Mat of poet Jasimuddin was published in 1929. Why are the traditional kathas made? Answer, the traditional kathas are made for family use. Question number 5. Which areas are most famous for this craft? Answer, Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura, and Jashore are the most famous areas for this craft. Dear student, you have known about some question by understanding the question, and you have been given a work that is necessary to do it, and it will help you to understand the pages more carefully. Complete the sentence with given clues. You have been given some sentences and also clues, and there is the clue. Bengali patterns, embroidery, ears, fashion, art, rural designs, quilt, naksha. Have you seen the vocabulary or clues in the box? Next, the sentences. Number 1, Nokshikatha means artistic dash. Number 2, the name was taken from a dash word. Number 3, the art has been practiced in dash Bengal for dash. Number 4, Nokshikathas are now sold in dash shops. Number 5, Nokshikathas now in great demand because of their colorful dash and dash. Number 6, Nokshikathas are a kind of dash. Dear student, you have been evaluated to given some sentences and with the help of the vocabulary. So first sentence, the answer is patterns. Nokshikatha means artistic patterns. Number 2, answer is Bengali word. Bengali word. Naksha. Number 3, the art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. Number 4, Nokshikathas are now sold in dash shops. Fashion shops. Number 5, Nokshikathas now in great demand because of their colorful patterns and designs. Number 6, answer is quilt. Nokshikathas are a kind of quilt. Embroidery quilt, not embroidery for quilt. Dear student, by reading and understanding all through the pages about Nokshikatha, you have gathered a knowledge that can help you to write something in your own ideas. So you will read the pages again at home and try to understand the task given for you. So I am giving a homework to understand better the topics about Nokshikatha. Write down a paragraph about Nokshikatha. Thanks for all. Stay home, stay safe. If you go out, wear masks. Allah Hafiz.